welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking BMW 420 diesel M Sport. It's the Gran Coupe hatchback, absolutely amazing condition. It's got a lot of extras on the vehicle. It comes with a private page plate. You've got the front bolt distance control, lovely added extra, the front lower splitter there, gloss black alloy wheels. Got the side skirts, M Performance insert there, rear privacy glass. It is literally all black on white, lovely contrast. Got the lower diffuser there with the twin exhausts, that's an extra. Rear park distance control. Car is absolutely and utterly stunning. Drives superb. Got the hatchback, got the electric tailgate, another high level lip spoiler there on there. Just look at the definition on the back, it looks lovely. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside for better light, but are kept inside our indoor showroom for viewing in any weather. Full leather interior, unmarked. Electric windows and mirrors. Again, you can see the lovely interior. Start the car up. Automatic, different driving styles, Eco Sport, Eco Pro. Full navigation system there. Just put the map on. So you've got DAB, you've got full satellite navigation, media pack, comms pack, Bluetooth, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, park distance control, audio and visual. Car's only done 67,960 miles. Paddle shift on the gearbox, auto headlights. Stunning. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005.